this new institute was coming into being called the Mind Institute. My previous work had been in looking at environmental exposures in relation to pregnancy outcomes, low birth weight, fetal death, that sort of thing. But my secret interest was to be able to follow children forward and see what the impacts of prenatal exposures might be on their actual neurodevelopment. And the Mind Institute ended up having this opportunity that allowed me to do exactly that. What was happening was that the National Institutes of Health had decided that they wanted centers on environmental factors in neurodevelopment, and a group here at UC Davis wanted to put in an application related to autism. So we started this new center on environment and autism that it was an idea that no one had really looked at. And at the time, the rates of autism were beginning to really rise in California. The state had some data showing that between 1990 and 2002, there had been this really exponential kind of rise that was happening. We went in and said, well, an epidemiology study would be a really good way to begin to untangle this problem, this puzzle. And so in 2002, 2001, 2002, we got the funding. In 2003, we launched the CHARGE study, which stands for Childhood Autism Risks from Genetics and the Environment. And since that time, between 2003 and now, we've really identified quite a few risk factors, some protective factors, and we've partnered with a variety of laboratory scientists to begin to get at the molecular basis for autism and a molecular basis for that environmental impact on brain development. So coming to the Mind Institute was exactly the sort of thing that I had been looking for and not really knowing where I was going to find it, but here it was, here at UC Davis at the Mind Institute, and a very interdisciplinary, collaborative environment to work in. So that was very exciting.